Good morning. It is another unedited vlog. Today is Monday and obviously I took a shower. I had to put on my glasses just because my eyes were, I don't want to say hurting, but like I felt like I was tired. It's working drastically and I literally just put them on, but I am watching Alyssa Rose's 1.5 hour. I just never finished it from the previous vlog, but that's what I'm watching. I am currently uploading a vlog, last week's vlogs. Well, last week's vlog right there. And now pretty soon I'm gonna be making breakfast. So yeah, and in the meantime I'm actually gonna sit on my phone for a couple minutes and upload a couple TikTok reels thingies to Instagram and YouTube so I can get them pre-scheduled. And yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. Tonight's dinner menu is buffalo chicken, buffalo chicken dip with raw veggies because I don't like bell peppers cooked, so that's that. But this morning's breakfast is my usual because now we actually have Nutella and eggs. So yeah, and I forgot to mention in last week's vlog that I got my nails done. It's kind of like a sage green almost. And I got the same color on my toes too. But yeah, I forgot to mention that, so I'm mentioning it to you now. And yeah. So I will see you guys in a minute. Hi guys. It is currently 10:07, so I'm about to leave. This top is from either Aeropostale or Hollister, and then my bottoms are from Soho brand from Ross or Burlington shoes. Like always, are the white ones from Target, and then I'm just using this white cardigan for when I get cold. And yeah, I have my lunch packed. Just need to put on deodorant real quick, but I have my lunch packed and everything. So I'm gonna say ciao for now, and I'll see you guys when I get home. Hi guys, I'm back. I just finished the linked thumbnail and making the title to the week in my life that I put up this morning. So I got that done, which is majority of the computer work that I have. I just need to do day 20, I think, of day 20 of my day in a life series real quick, which is gonna take me less than 10 seconds, so I can make that for tomorrow. And then I'm gonna try to do day 21, which I think is today. I think I'm kind of off. I forgot, or I keep forgetting what day I'm on because I'm posting them on different days than I'm making them, so it kind of confuses me. So I'm gonna try to do day 20 and day 21, which I hope is today. Which I'm gonna do day 20 right now, and then after that I'm gonna read. I do have my journal prompt and my journal and my 3 gratefuls on my phone, so I'm gonna do that as well. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Hi guys, it is currently, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:43 p.m.
I feel like her voice changed, but it is 8:43, and I am now just starting to read my book. I don't even know if I ever mentioned to you, it's called The Getaway. It's practically like, right now I'm kind of like almost, sorry, the light just doesn't want to focus, but it's right now it's practically about a group of kids. It's pretty much like a futuristic type of town, and yeah, actually I'm not gonna give it away, but I do have a set not a set, a YouTube video that I'll put in the eye that has kind of like the same concept. Well, it talks about all the books I've read in senior year and a couple books that I never got to read during senior year, which the ones that I never read I'm actually gonna fully read. I'm gonna have to restart on those, but without jabbering too much, I'm gonna start reading. Hi guys, it is currently, what time is it? 11:50. I don't have to shower in the morning, and that's fine by me. I don't have to wake up till 9. I don't have to leave by 10:15. I'm finishing a third number sippy. I did everything of my 75 very soft, listening to Scooby in the background, and I'm about to put my ambiance on, which I'm gonna do lavender to help me fall asleep a little faster. But yeah, I just wanted to say ciao, good night, see you guys in the morning. And I do have a pimple patch on right here, if you guys can notice. If not, oh well. Good morning, my pals. It is Tuesday. I'm watching Alyssa's video from like 4 months ago. I got up at 7:30, and I've kind of just been chilling. I don't need a shower. I showered yesterday. Tonight's dinner is soup, which we've been saving this for a rainy day for quite some time now, and it's still good because it's actually from the Hatfield and McCoy show, so that's our dinner. It doesn't have an expiration date on it, so I'm assuming it's fine, but we've been saving it for like a year and a half. But it's the original creamy soup, so, and I want to split it in half and test it because it's going to be a lot of soup, so I want to test a theory, because when I bought it, she said to use milk, and if you've ever been to a Hatfield and McCoy show, their soup is so creamy. She's like, use milk instead. So I'm gonna use the milk instead, obviously. But I think I'm gonna have to cook it with my mom because that seems a little complicated. But yeah. Oh wait, now I'm thinking about it, I think I read it wrong. Pour 7 cups of water into a 3/4. I don't care about mixed vegetables. How much is this bag? Doesn't even tell me how. Me and my mom will figure it out. It'll be one of those things, dinner won't be 8 until like 6:30, which is fine. But yeah, that's what I'm rocking at the moment. I switched into a sweatshirt because I was cold. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I start making, or after I've made breakfast. I don't know why I just did that, because I don't edit. I'm not editing this vlog. But here's my fit. It's blurry like always. And Taylor pants are from Soho brand, from like Ross or Burlington. Hair clip is from Claire's, and then this jacket is from Ross as well. And yeah, I put away dishes, got ready, and yeah, tonight's dinner is soup. I don't even know if I said something about it earlier, but soup and breadsticks. Well, soup and crescent rolls because they didn't have breadsticks, but that's that. On my way home, I have to stop at Publix to get milk for the soup. But yeah, see you guys when I get home. Hi guys, it is currently 5:49 and I just finished dinner and I got some pieces, which I'll have them all linked down below, but they were kind enough to send me and gift me these pieces. So this is a rose gold the bad thing is that I don't edit this vlog. And the rose gold with a little dangly chain, and it's adjustable too, which is why I like this product, because I have the tiniest wrists ever, I swear to you. So this is a must-have, the adjustable thing. And I got these two pair of earrings as well, which are really good. I love them. They're adorable, and I was thinking of pairing them with the birthday dress that I have as like my second or thirds. And then I also have this rose gold necklace as well. It's a heart. And yeah, they were also kind enough to send me, or gift, well, hold on, revert that, Leanne, phrase back. They were also kind enough to give me a discount code, so I'll have it, and I can't edit, so I'll have it down below, and if I can link the website, I'll have it in the eye. But yeah, the amazing products. I will have a TikTok up hopefully soon in August. Maybe I'll move some things around, but yeah, that's that. So thank you so much to Juno, Valentina, for gifting me these and giving me that discount code as well. And I am gonna currently work on day 21, edit day 21 of the thing. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, I have done a lot since the last time I saw you. I did some computer work on the computer, and then I did my reading. I also did my journal prompt and my 3 gratefuls, and I also did my yoga session. So now I don't have jack shiznits to do, which is great because Alyssa just posted a new vlog and I want to watch it. So with that being said, that's what I'm going to be doing. Haha. See y'all later. Hi my pals. It is currently, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:08 p.m.
It is currently 10:08 and I'm trying not for Scooby at the moment while talking to you guys, but I watched Alyssa Rose's video and then I watched Lauren Snyder's video. I just got ready for bed, like brushed my teeth, washed my face, did my skincare, plus, you know, the whole shebang. And while I started Alyssa Rose's video, I just put my shower stuff and my work clothes together, and now I'm about to put my pills out on my dresser, so I will take them when I wake up. But I will see you guys in the morning. And yeah, Have a good night. Hi guys, it is Wednesday, so we have laundry already ready for the day. I work 11 to 4 today. I am watching Alyssa Rose's video while cooking breakfast. I thought we had hash in the fridge, so I was gonna make hash and eggs, but I had to make my usual breakfast because apparently someone ate it. So, with that being said, yeah, that's what's happening. I took a shower. I had to put my hair up because it was just aggravating me. It was up in my face. I did a couple things on my phone for YouTube, and yeah, I've been responding to comments and stuff in the middle of like relaxing for the morning. And yeah, that is exactly what I am doing up in here. I will update you guys when there's something to update you for. Here's my outfit. My tank top is from Target, which is underneath the shirt, which is kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie, because it's a crop tank top, but whatever. And Taylor Ross or Burlington Soho brand shoes from Target. So yeah, nothing too crazy today. I'm going to see you guys later, and have a good day. Hi guys, I'm showing only my face because I have my birthday dress on, which I want to keep a secret. One of my birthday dresses on, which I again want to keep secret. So I just got home. I got home a little bit early. It's 4:02, but I literally came in, started laundry, and then started filming content. I got the things that I ordered from Amazon, so I filmed that for a reel. And now I'm going to change back into my regular clothes, and I am going to start filming even more content. I have a couple things to get done. So yeah, I'm now filming, or done filming, the content for the day. And the only thing I have to do tomorrow is post the makeup TikTok to, or the makeup TikTok to TikTok, and then work out with me / beach walk for a video next month. Well, this month when you see it, but next month. So that's that. Hi guys, it is currently 9:30 on the dot, and I hid my remote on my bed, so now I have to search for it in the mix of talking to you guys. But I watched Savannah Savwavy's video, and then her latest video, which I think was a story time video. And then I just watched TikToks for a long time, and now I found my remote. Now I did my laundry. I did my 3 gratefuls and my journal prompt. I'm about to do my 10-minute yoga session, and then I'm gonna end off my routine by doing my reading, and then I'm just gonna wash my face, brush my teeth while watching YouTube some. We'll see. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I will talk to you guys later. Hi guys, it is now, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:14 p.m.
It is currently 11:14 at night. I just brushed my teeth, washed my face, did my rest of my skincare, and I finished, I think, the after work routine that I had planned to film. Yeah, I did. So I'm gonna check that off my list real quick. And laundry is put away so I can get that checked off my list as well. So all I really have to do tomorrow is just post that makeup TikTok, the get ready with me makeup TikTok on TikTok, and just do film the workout thing that I have planned for a YouTube video. And then I'm literally gonna sit in my desk area all day tomorrow and get everything that I filmed today and tomorrow checked off my list. I still have yet to finish sippy number 3. I actually just filled sippy number 3. So I'm gonna sit and watch Scooby and drink sippy number 3 and relax. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. I did a couple things on my phone. I posted content and I got ready, and now I'm taking my beach walk. Well, I'm about to, at least, for my 30 minutes of a workout, and I'm making a video for that. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. We're back on the beach. I feel like I've been on the beach for like every single week. I hate the sand mound so much. It's actually not that busy on the beach today. It is kind of cloudy though, so yeah. The tide must be low because it's pretty far out. I don't even know. We're 15 minutes into our walk, but it's so peaceful out here. I'm so sweaty already. It is hot and muggy up in here, and I think I'm almost out of water. So, but I have noticed that red tide is a little bit more each time I come, and I have been coming for 3 weeks to the beach, so that's that. I haven't even been in my thoughts. My arm's hurting. I'll let you guys listen to that. Don't you think that's peaceful? Minus the red tide. Hi guys, I am back from my walk. I have changed into my pajama pants and I have now started making breakfast. My usual breakfast, that's all. And I refilled for sippy number 2. And now I'm gonna put on some TV and enjoy some relaxation after that walk. And I will see you guys when the house is all tidied. I'm gonna show you the status of what my house looks like because it is quite fucking messy. I think the living room is pretty good, not gonna lie. I mean, it still looks messy, but... And then my room is just a disaster as well. With that being said, I am going to get to cleaning. I did change my top half because it just felt like I just came out of the pool with how much sweat that I had sweat. So yeah, I will catch you guys once I'm done cleaning. So now that the house is all clean, my bedroom is clean and tidy, I am going to start on editing. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 TikToks and, oh wait, I think 4 TikToks, 2 videos to edit. So I'll be in my room for about probably like 3 to 4 hours, not including lunch. And in that time, I am going to do my 3 gratefuls. I'm going to do my journal prompts. And I'm also going to get my reading out of the way. I'm still on sippy number 2, which is fine because I still have all day. It is so hot in here. God, it's really hot. And it's 76 in here, which is, for a lot of people that would be hot, but for us it's cool, so it's just to me. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, we're gonna do an update. I am currently sitting on my computer editing, and I ordered a pizza from Little Caesars for lunch / dinner. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll update you guys when the pizza comes. It says that it'll be delivered by 1:25. Oh, actually 12:55, I'm sorry. So I'll see you guys when the pizza comes. So I couldn't wait to dig in. So I already dug in, but I got my Little Caesars pizza. And I am going to chow and start my last video to edit while I am uploading one of my YouTube videos. So I will see you guys later. Hi guys. It's been quite some time since the last time I saw you. I quite literally was at my desk for the rest of the day, and then once I finished, I went on my bed and watched TikToks and YouTube for a little bit, and then I came and then I sat on my phone for a little bit and just uploaded all of the reels to Instagram and YouTube. That took about an hour. So yeah, so now I'm about to read, and then after reading I'm gonna do my 10 minutes of yoga just to get that done and over with, and then brush my teeth, wash my face. That way I can just sit and relax for the rest of the night. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, I'm kind of talking low because honestly you have not seen me since Thursday, and I have been down for the worst. I'll save you all the gory details, but the bathroom was my best friend all morning, and it is currently 8:39, and I'm starting to feel a lot better. I had a stomach bug, and I took Termaflu, I think, this morning. Didn't know that I was supposed to eat before, so obviously that didn't go well. And then it just conveniently hit, because afterwards it keeps you nauseous for a little bit, but not consistent like I was. So I had a stomach bug, so I actually never end up going to work, obviously. And I literally woke up this morning. I came from the bed to the couch, and I have been on the couch for majority of the day. I've been in here for about 3 hours. I finally had chicken noodle soup for dinner. I split it up. My mom wanted me. She's been in every branch of the medical field, well, almost every branch. So I split it up. I only had half of a can, and she dilutes it with water. So yeah, but I'm gonna end the vlog here, because literally this weekend I was supposed to work tomorrow, but I told my boss that I wasn't even sure if I was gonna feel good, so, which is true. It takes about 24 to 48 hours. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. You're not gonna miss much. And I don't even have a cycle class. I canceled that. But I have some electrolytes, and I have sippy. I don't know where I put sippy, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.